think about this. What you have is these beautiful dark cherries, and they're sweet, aren't they? They're delicious. And what nature is saying is, all right, what I got is some sugar here, and the fungus living around us in the trillions wants to eat this. And so the plant has to create its own protection. It creates a substance called phytoalexins, and that is, one of those is resveratrol. People have heard about it in red grapes. Grapes are another thing. So the sweet thing in the grape has to protect itself. So if a fungus lands on this and it eats that phytoalexin, it dies. It's sort of its own, it's a pre-drug, essentially. The drug companies can't duplicate this stuff. And that's the beauty of what we've got here, is that you cannot patent a natural substance. And that's why the $280 billion a year drug industry can't come up with something as effective as this. Phytoalexins in red and green fruits and vegetables have been shown to be anti-cancer, the same way that they protect the plant against fungus. Moving on here, we got another, this is another Suriname cherry of a different color.
Okay.
This is mangoes. Mangoes. These are green and small right now, but they're going to get to be the size of a baseball or bigger. And what you have is, there's at least 8,000 different carotenoids, at least 20,000 different bioflavonoids in fruits and vegetables. And they find that these things are extraordinary as anti-aging, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. There's what, 12 million Americans who are on the Vioxx Celebrex drugs. They have chronic inflammation, chronic pain. Eat more fruits and vegetables. As a matter of fact, there's a group, if you look them up, NORI on the web, Nutrition Oncology Research Institute, they recommend nothing but fruit to cure cancer, a whole fruit diet. Now, I'm not sure that I'm that enthusiastic, but I am clearly on board with them when you talk about the biochemical scientific reasons why fruit and vegetables are going to slow down cancer. These are golden Dorset apples. Apples, you look at it and do a little analysis of it, and you find not much vitamin C. And yet the ORAC score is higher than vitamin C, because it's a combination of all of these substances that are in the apple. Moving on over here, here we go. Mulberries. These are Oscar mulberries.
Now this one wasn't ripe last year.
You're right, came at a different time of the year. So dark purple is going to have this rich mixture of phytochemicals, bioflavonoids, carotenoids. The medicinal value is beyond argument.
Oh my goodness, that's ridiculously sweet.
Delicious. And this is why I'm saying, we're not denying ourselves, people. People think, if I can't have my Twinkies and Coke every day, no, this stuff is delicious. And once you develop an appetite for it, what's fascinating is the human tongue has got 4 sensors: sour, sweet, salt, and bitter. That sweet is for fruit. The earliest food of humans was fruit, eggs, and insects. I'm not telling you have to eat insects, but eggs and fruit are good. And the sweetness is to make fruit taste good and feel good in our body. And then what the food manufacturers have done is said, we're going to create all of these substitute sugars, which are not good for you. And now we're eating 140 pounds per year of refined white sugar, which is killing us. Obesity, diabetes, depression, heart disease, cancer, among other diseases that come with refined sugar. This is a different sugar. And what you find is, if you take the fructose and other natural sugars that are in the matrix, matrix means mother in Latin, and literally here is this sugar sitting in the middle of this cell membrane, and it's got all these phytochemicals around it and fiber, and it works. And if you take a different sugar and take all the matrix away, which is white sugar, corn syrup, now it's killing people instead of healing people.
I'm glad you picked that, because I was about to pick another one. Ridiculously sweet. Hi, this is Ty Bollinger. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video that you just saw, click the link below to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will provide you with the most up-to-date information from nutritional experts all over the world to help you stay healthy.